Hi everyone, in today's video I will like to tell you that how to create new employees on Sowaan ERP. First of all, we will going to log in our Sowaan ERP, and after that we will going to type employee list over here in the search bar, and you can see this employee list. We will click on this employee list, and for adding new employees we will be pressing this add employee button. After pressing this add employee button, we will be filling all these mandatory fields. The mandatory fields are the fields with this star, red colored star. You can see this. First of all, we will going to enter the first name of our employee. Let's suppose the first name of our employee is Muhammad and the last name is Khan. So we will put all the necessary information here, like his gender. We will going to select the gender from here, and then we will put his birth date over here, date of birth, and then the joining date in the company. After that, we will be putting all the necessary information of our employees. You can see the tabs over here. Each tab contain separate information for the employees. For example, in joining tab, here you can record all the joining information of the employee, and in the address and contact tabs you can store all the information and all the data regarding his address, his contact, his personal email, his company email. And in the tab of attendance and leave, all the information related to his attendance and leave will be monitored over here. And in the salary tab, we will put his CTC and all the salary related data over here. And in personal information, we will be going to put all the data regarding his blood group, family background, health, and if the company is providing health insurance, then here we will be putting all the related information. After putting all the necessary information, we will going to press the save button, and then see here our user is created, Muhammad Khan. You can see this.